Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to Tommy's video on talking about his top 5 tips if you guys are ever planning to go to a brand new location, and that location is either the following. The first one is the Indiana State Fair. The second one is like the Children's Museum, the buses, like different areas like those that has like badges that can help your people not get paid for. So the first area that we are going to be talking about is like the Indiana State Fair. The Indiana State Fair is a wonderful outing for people. It gets people out of the house. It does so much for the local neck of the woods here. So, like the first thing that does so good on, which I am graciously proud of, is that their radio scanner feeds that they use are very good. Like by all means. So if I turn you guys around to my computer and I show you guys this right here is called Millionaire's Park, and they use this DMR system. What you guys see down here, their radio system is pretty much encrypted by all means. So that means if you guys would like to listen to something like that, well, if you guys had yourself like an encryption key, that would only be your right help, okay? Because the encryption key you guys can only get from the SEC. Because the SEC is the one in charge of that. I do not make these rules. I just share you guys the information that I find. So, also let you guys know, like you guys see this recreations page right here. So you guys see that the Eller Plantation has like group ops. They have an art institute. They have guest tours, security or parking. They have operations, maintenance. That's all for the Botanic Gardens. This one uses like security and engineering building operations. This one uses like a river walk. So you guys see they use color code 0, talk group 101, slot 1. So we go on down to like their aquarium. So you see like right here, they got like operations, they got like security, they got water ramp operations. Here's like Lincoln Park. So like on here, they got security guest relations, which all these, I imagine, sometime soon in the next couple of years, they're probably going to be encrypted. So I'm sorry that I said that. So you guys see that the Navy Park security right here uses channel 1, talk group 1000. So you see that all these uses talk group 1000. So we go on down, we see housekeeping, we see Ferris wheel, we see the Skagway Theater right here. Now the Odyssey yacht, which I think is really kind of cool. This one right here is the quarry. So you guys have zip lines, you guys have maintenance. Now another thing with this one, I'll take you guys down to Soldier Field because that's the one you guys are probably. This one's Allstate in Arena in. So they use like all of these, like right here. This one's like Chicago Production. This one's like the Horseshoe one. So they got renewable, they got Trinity Park Police uses channel 2, security parking control main. This is what doesn't get me, okay, you guys? This right here. So at the Bally's Casino there in Chicago, it's like encrypted. Why in the world do they got like right here? They should not even show the radio frequencies for that, like they have right here. So like going on down, this one's McCormick's Creek, McCormick Place. So they got McCormick Place Security and Fire right here, which you guys see is a multi-dispatch. They got tracks, they got building, they got East operations, they got operations. These down here. So like right here, the Chicago line cruises uses Tucker 177 as 5/23. They got Chicago's First Lady. They got the Columbia Yacht Club. They got like the Western boats. Now they also got this one. Like, I don't imagine, like, if you guys try to listen to this, good luck because your radio scanner will be busy the every time you guys played it. So like right here, this one is Soldiers Field, okay? So you see that they use monitor security, which is for event ops. This one, perimeter security for civilian. Parking lots, outdoor security, Chicago Parks. Park District uses this one right here. So they also use faculty setup. They got like Wrigley Field, which got portable repeaters. So if we click on right here, they got like all these encrypted ones right here. So they got operations. So like going on back, you guys got like a lot of different options. So like right here, sort of the Chicago White Sox, they got safety and security, they got medical. So for more information, so you guys can go right here. Now, all these radio frequencies right here are currently current, so they use this one right here for their district for police. They use this fire district right here. In EMS South, they use Countywide 1 and Countywide 2. Major League. Now, Illinois uses basketball. Here's Chicago Bulls. This one's the Chicago Bears one, so they got this right here. These are their frequencies. So going on down, you guys got their marketing promotions. Now, a lot of these on here, just honestly, you guys, are pretty good just by themselves. You guys can look these up. Now, I'm trying not to talk about these a whole lot. So this one is called Zoo Pre-Stars. This one has baseball, basketball, hockey, other sports, and special events. You guys can go on that website. They use 467.1625 DCS 501. And if you guys, just saying, if you guys find any information like either on like the radio scanner feeds like at your local like place that you guys go to, like either the radio scanner places or like so many like different places like those. Now, another thing you guys could probably use is like some individual, like different opportunities, which honestly, lucky enough in my county, we don't got that many because there is like a lot going on, like behind the scenes. Like we got our own committees. I'm even the president of the Self Advocates of Monroe County, which honestly, that you guys, I gotta tell you guys something. I having like so much fun doing it. Now, sadly, I can't video some of it because of privacy issues, but whenever I do it, I can let you guys know like what's going on. Now, now Self Advocates of Monroe County ain't just part of the art part of Snowmelt. It's a non-profit thing. So that means you guys can use this like wherever you guys would like. If you guys ever need help, you guys can use this service because they have like so much stuff that you guys can do. Like, also, another reason why I use Snowmelt a whole lot, it's because of their great service. It's not because that I continue to care about these people, because I know whenever I find me a good staff. Like, that's the reason why I love the Excel Center. In the Excel Center, you guys, if you guys are ever wanting to look up your own Excel Center, go on this website by all means, and I will put the website in the comment in a description down below if you guys would like. Because because doing that so can help you guys out and do a lot of good stuff. So so please, you guys, make sure you guys use your right processor codes. In YouTube, there will be a lot more help from different people from time to time. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day. In YouTube, I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.